Breaking news with a wave of political developments revolving around former President Donald Trump. Just over a week before it was set to begin, a New York judge has delayed Trump's first criminal case for 30 days. Trump faces 34 felony counts for falsifying business records related to payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Plus, in a significant ruling in Georgia's election interference case against the former president, a Fulton County judge has decided the District Attorney Fani Willis can continue to prosecute that case, but blasted Willis for what he called a, quote, tremendous lapse in judgment, unquote, for having a romantic relationship with one of her top prosecutors. That special prosecutor has now withdrawn from the case. CBS's Nikole Killion will start us off tonight from outside the courthouse in Atlanta. Nikole, good evening.
Hey, good evening to you, Major. And it's not just this new delay in the New York case, but this election case here in Georgia has effectively been put on hold until today's ruling by a judge, effectively clearing District Attorney Fani Willis to proceed.
Fulton County Judge Scott McAfee gave District Attorney Fani Willis an ultimatum today. Either step aside from the 2020 election subversion case or have her former romantic partner, Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade, withdraw. Within hours, Wade tendered his resignation effective immediately to move this case forward. The former president hailed the move on Truth Social, calling Wade a disgrace.
He had to. There was no way that it was going to be the elected district attorney of Fulton County, Fani Willis, who was going to step down. After this decision came out,
the judge's ruling found Trump and the co-defendants that filed the complaint against Willis and Wade failed to prove a conflict of interest. There was no evidence, according to McAfee, that Willis financially benefited from her roughly year-long relationship with Wade, which included trips to the Caribbean and California. But the ruling did note a significant appearance of impropriety. McAfee was sharply critical of Willis's behavior, citing a lapse in judgment and calling her conduct during a hearing last month unprofessional.
Don't be cute with me and then think that you're not going to get an answer.
McAfee also said Willis and Wade's testimony didn't put concerns about their relationship to rest.
It wasn't kept secret, it was kept private.
And he invoked Southern playwright Tennessee Williams by writing, "An odor of mendacity remains."
From time to time, you see judges wax a bit poetic in their opinions. He could have just said, I think there was a lot of lying going on here, but instead he described it in more colorful terms.
The ruling comes after McAfee struck down 6 charges this week in the election interference case, including 3 involving the former president. Scott Grubman represented Kenneth Chesborough, who worked to overturn Georgia's election results and pleaded guilty last year.
It means the case goes from almost impossible going to trial before November to actually impossible to go to trial before November.
Former Vice President Mike Pence split with former President Trump over his efforts to pressure him about the 2020 election. And tonight, Pence said in an interview that he will not endorse Trump because he believes he's pursuing an agenda that's at odds with the conservative agenda. Major.
With all the political and legal developments today, Nikole Killion, thank you.